The story begins in Avengers Tower, where Earth's mightiest heroes, along with the X-Men and Guardians of the Galaxy, gather to investigate a series of cosmic disturbances. Tony Stark and Reed Richards project a holographic map showing energy pulses radiating from a single point, which they have named Zero Point. The energy is rapidly spreading across the galaxy, leaving traces of distorted reality and disappearing planets. The heroes look worried, unsure of what they're dealing with, as Doctor Strange warns that this energy isn't just cosmic, it's mystical, something beyond the known laws of the universe. As the heroes study the anomaly, a surge of dark energy fills the room. Everyone stumbles back as a colossal, shadowy figure materializes before them, radiating an intense, chaotic power. The being has an ever-shifting form, as if it's made of stars, shadows, and lightning combined. This is the Zero Entity, a force that is both creation and destruction. It speaks in a low, distorted voice, warning that it has come to reset the universe. The heroes' faces reflect shock and confusion as they confront the entity's devastating potential. Doctor Strange recovers and calls upon his mystical powers, casting a spell that unveils multiple possible futures. In each vision, he sees the destruction of different realities, entire galaxies vanishing, and timelines collapsing into nothingness. Strange warns that fighting the Zero Entity through sheer force alone will only strengthen it. Meanwhile, Iron Man hatches a plan, using technology to devise a containment device capable of holding zero-point energy. However, the device needs immense power to function, more than what even the Avengers' combined might can generate. With limited options, the heroes split up to rally allies. Captain Marvel and Thor lead a fleet of intergalactic allies, Kree, Skrulls, Asgardians, and more, into battle preparations. Meanwhile, Spider-Man and Wolverine embark on a more difficult mission, recruiting former enemies. They confront Dr. Doom in his hidden lab, and later meet Loki in a shadowy realm, both of whom possess unique knowledge of cosmic energies. Dr. Doom agrees to help, intrigued by the power of Zero Point, while Loki is drawn in by his own agenda. The heroes, both old and new, gather in the darkened expanse of space near Zero Point. The Zero Entity looms before them, its form even more terrifying up close, resembling a black hole with tendrils of dark energy. Captain Marvel and Thor lead the first strike, followed by an attack from Iron Man, Dr. Doom, and Loki, each contributing their powers and expertise. The combined assault creates a momentary lull in the entity's power, but it quickly retaliates, absorbing their energy and growing even stronger. Back in his lab, Reed Richards is poring over data, frantically analyzing the energy signatures. He realizes that the Zero Entity is absorbing the very fabric of reality, drawing strength from the natural forces of creation and destruction. He races to communicate this to the team, warning that any continued attacks will only feed the Zero Entity. The entity isn't just destroying, it's consuming reality to reshape it according to its own will. As the entity speaks, it unleashes a wave of zero-point energy that shatters the dimensional barriers surrounding Earth's heroes. They feel the fabric of reality splitting apart around them, each hero caught in a different fragment of collapsing dimensions. Thor is pulled into a realm of shadows. Doctor Strange finds himself in a twisted mirror dimension, and Iron Man is transported to an alternate timeline. The remaining heroes watch in horror as the Zero Entity prepares for its final move, intent on erasing the universe entirely.